Hello students, welcome to online study center of an learning school. In the last video, class 10th student, I have given you the outline of your syllabus. Now in this video, we will discuss the chapter. And the first chapter of your geography is your resource and development. So resource and development both are different things. They are interrelated with each other, but you need to understand what is resource and what is development. So we will cover resource, the topic resource in this particular video. Now, what is resource? Anything that we can use to satisfy our needs can be called as a resource. Here in this chapter book written, anything that we can use to satisfy our needs can be called as a resource. Like water is a resource, air is a resource. We use water for drinking, we use air for living, and also we use water for industrial purpose. We use air for generating wind electricity. So this is your resource because these satisfy your needs. So this is your resource which satisfy our need just as a human being is called as a resource. Now, one important characteristic that a resource must have. What is this? A resource should be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. These three important features, if a resource possesses, then we use that resource for our development. Next, your how resource helps our mankind. They provide raw material. Here they provide raw material, source of energy, and favorable conditions for growth and development. Number two, it also makes the natural environment suitable for human being and other form of life. And third, it provides diversity among the available resources. So this is resource and its importance, what they do for our mankind. Here it's a figure given in your book. Now let's understand what this figure means. That we human being at the center of the triangle, and we have the three important corners of the triangle, like physical environment. This is your provide nature, provide resource, technology, and institution. What this is that they have interaction with each other. For economic growth and development, the human being have to interact with the technology, natural resources, and create institution for our development. Let's take an example. Suppose if you take out the petroleum from the earth, so it is taken from the physical environment, nature. Now you must have technology like refining capabilities. You must make engines so that we can use that petrol, like diesel and petrol engine that we have developed in the recent past. And similarly, once you have developed the technology, then you must have institution like create industry of petroleum. So using the natural resources, creating the technology, and creating an industry, human being develop with this resource, and we have a development in our process. So I think you have understood the resource and development. Now next topic is your types of resource, but in the next video we'll discuss it.